He's a very sleepy puppy from his short time at the lake this afternoon. This is Martin.